Hi everybody, I'm Corey and you're watching Desert DIY. Today I have a collaboration again for you that I am doing with Heidi Songbull and also a newer YouTuber named Crystal Hansen, and I really like her channel. She is doing some really neat stuff on her channel. She has really good style and she's also really funny, so she's a joy to watch. But this collaboration is a DIY paint challenge, and I decided to take it kind of literally and fix up a painting. So this painting I got for free. Somebody was throwing it away and they had obvious reasons for doing so, and you may not see it right away, but once you do, you can't unsee it. So this beautiful painting has a big huge Sharpie mark right here. Like some little kid just got super excited to draw on this picture and put their stamp on it at the bottom, and so it's kind of not in good enough shape to use it as it is, which is a shame because it's a beautiful painting. Whoever did this, they worked really hard on it, and I'm sorry I'm about to paint over it. But for my paint challenge, I'm going to be painting over it in a matte black colored paint, and I use the Waverly brand paint that you can get from Walmart. One, because it's cheap, two, because it covers really well. So I'm going to be covering this whole thing black and then writing over it with a chalk pen to make it look nice and pretty. And I'll show you towards the end how I do my handwriting without using any stencils. But first things first, I gotta get this thing painted. And when I paint something like this, I paint the outside borders first so that they'll dry more quickly, and it'll be easier for me to tip it and turn it as I'm doing the different edges. Oh, also, if you watch my channel often, if you subscribe to my channel, you will notice I look a little bit different in this video because I got my hair cut. And it feels really good. I'm sure a lot of you people watching me are moms, and when you have a baby and your body is all different, one of the few things you can do to make yourself look better quickly is just get your hair done. So I got my hair done by one of my bestest friends, and thankfully I have a friend who's a hairdresser because then I don't have to leave my house. My little guy just got his 2-month shots and was attached to me like Velcro today, and there's no way I could have gone to a hair salon to get that done, and I really needed a little pick-me-up when it comes to how I look right now, because you know, baby weight doesn't come off that quickly, and you go through all these changes in the way you look, and it's hard to not be pregnant and still kind of look pregnant when you look in the mirror. But I do feel a lot better. But now I get mommy time, that baby's asleep, and I'm gonna do some crafting in my dining room. Alright, I have the entire canvas covered in black, so I'm just going to go over it really quick and make all the brush strokes be in the same direction, nice and smooth, get rid of all the ridges. That way it will dry more quickly and also dry more evenly. Okay. Now, while this is drying, I'm going to go wash my brush, and I'm also going to go pick out a really neat ribbon, I guess, out of my gigantic ribbon collection of things I've collected over the years that were on sale. Hopefully one of these ribbons that I have will match the farmhouse look that I'm going to go for on this project. I'm sure I have something. If not, I'll make something work, but I'm just hoping that I have enough of whatever ribbon I choose to do this project. Looking through my collection, I actually found a black and white buffalo check ribbon, and I'm super excited because I use buffalo check in my house like all over the place. I'm kind of obsessed with it. But look at the price. It was $5, got it on clearance for $1.49. The Celebrate It brand, I think this is a Michaels brand. So I'm pretty sure I got this on clearance at Michaels. But I've had it forever, so I really don't know if they have the same one anymore. It's ribbon cutting time. Alright, I hope that this piece is going to be long enough to make it look pretty. Oh, I definitely think it is. Okay, straighten this thing out. Now, I am no bow expert, so don't expect perfection from me on this. I just had an idea, and I'm going to roll with it. Okay. Let's see if I time that. I think I'm going to need some more slack. The whole thing. I think I want the top to be on this side. Gonna tie a regular little knot here. Make it kind of tight. I really hope this bow turns out nice. Hold on, I'm doing it upside down here. Not bad. Okay. Now the trick to cutting a really quick pointed edge here on the end of the bow strings is to just fold it in half and cut at a down angle. And I learned that on YouTube. Boom. Alright, there's my bow. Turned out pretty good for being a beginner like I am. Alright, I'm going to fill you in on the secret of how I pick my fonts and freehand my fonts onto pieces that I'm doing. Alright, so on my cell phone, I'm just looking at Pinterest. And I typed in blessed sign. Blessed is a saying that I prefer to have on my signs. I just feel truly connected to that word because I feel like my life is very blessed. I'm blessed to have the things that I do have. So I'm going to use this word to draw on here. But what I do is I just look through Pinterest and find something that inspires me and just try and use that inspiration to recreate something that I think I can do. I think I'll actually go with something like that bottom blessed one. So whoever on Wayfair is selling this, thank you for the inspiration. But Mine was not $31. It was taken out of the trash and upcycled for free. I'm gonna do like a big B. I'm gonna have to do it skinnier. Like this. I'm just gonna start. Okay, so here's my like rough draft of that one that I saw on my phone. And now the way to do this chalkboard calligraphy, I also learned on YouTube by the way, is to thicken up the downstrokes. So this is an upstroke, this is the downstroke. So I'm gonna go back over and just make it a little fatter at the top and color it in. Come on now, there we go. Upstroke, and this is the downstroke, so we're gonna fill in this stroke. Upstroke and fat downstroke. I wonder what kind of like super hard concentrating facial expressions I'm making right now. Hello, I'm done. I am pretty excited about how this turned out. I'm gonna have to hold back my judgment until I see it on camera because the camera does not lie, but so far I'm super excited about this. Now, if you are somebody like me who doesn't have a Cricut or a Silhouette Cameo yet, wait until Black Friday. But if you don't have that stuff and you're like me and you want to make cute signs, try your freehand. You might end up being good at it because I have really horrible regular handwriting. And when I watched some YouTube tutorials about how to do calligraphy, I figured it out and it turned out that I have good calligraphy handwriting, just not regular handwriting. So I definitely think that you should give it a shot because it doesn't hurt. And if you do it in a chalk pen, which is just a big piece of chalk inside a pen-shaped bottle, you can erase it and start over. And even if you did do it in paint, you could just repaint it over black and start again. Do not give up. So I'm gonna go hang this up and see how it looks on the wall now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to link the playlist to this collaboration down below. and you are really going to want to see what these ladies have to offer. Heidi Songbul puts together the best collaborations with some of the most amazing and most creative YouTubers that I know of. So you will not be disappointed, I promise. And thank you so much to Crystal Hansen for being a part of this collaboration as well. And check out her channel and her other videos too, because she has some really awesome content. So if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come back and see me next time. Bye!